10 new Amazon finds to declutter your home. Before you buy new furniture or storage bins, look at this. More than 60% of home clutter does not come from a lack of space. It comes from unused space. Walls, tight corners, gaps, and hidden areas often stay empty while shelves overflow. In this video, I will show you 10 smart Amazon finds that help you reclaim those forgotten spaces. Each item solves a real problem, saves space, and makes your home easier to manage. Number 1. Mojiko Portable Clothes Dryer for Small Spaces, about $159. The Mojiko Portable Clothes Dryer is a compact electric dryer made for small homes, apartments, and RVs. It fits into tight spaces where a full-size dryer would not. This machine can dry up to 9 pieces of clothing at once, such as shirts, underwear, towels, and light items. It works by circulating warm air and is easy to use. You simply plug it into a standard power outlet and set the timer. Because it is small and light, you can move it around or store it when not in use. It also runs quietly, so it will not disturb you if placed near living areas. Many people find it useful when they do not have a dedicated laundry room or when they need a quick drying option without racks or lines. This dryer helps keep laundry off furniture and floors. Number 2. Baika Wall-Mounted Floating Shelves, set of 3, about $39. The Baika wall-mounted floating shelves come as a set of 3 and are designed to help you use wall space for storage. These shelves are strong enough to hold small items like books, picture frames, plants, and bathroom or kitchen supplies. Because they are mounted on the wall, they do not take up floor or counter space. This makes them great for small rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or living areas. The shelves have a simple wood finish with sturdy metal brackets that support each shelf securely. Installation is straightforward with included hardware, so you can put them up yourself. Floating shelves are helpful when you do not have enough cabinets or tables, and they make your space look cleaner by lifting items up and out of the way. Many people use them to keep everyday items organized and easy to see. Number 3. Yaihong Clear Plastic Storage Bins, 8-pack, about $25. The Yaihong Clear Plastic Storage Bins come in a pack of 8 and are useful for keeping small items organized around your home. They are clear, so you can easily see what is inside without opening them, and they have handles that make them easy to pull off shelves or move around. These bins are versatile and work well in a pantry, closet, bathroom, laundry room, or office. You can store cleaning supplies, snacks, toys, toiletries, or craft items inside them. Because you can stack or line them up, they help keep shelves tidy and make better use of vertical space. When small items are loose, they quickly create clutter. Using bins like these groups things together so your shelves and counters stay neater. They are simple to use and help reduce frustration when searching for items in crowded spaces. Pricing may vary based on size and seller. Number 4. V-Topmart 6-pack clear stackable storage bins with lids, about $32. The V-Topmart 6-pack clear stackable storage bins with lids are great for organizing larger spaces like pantries, closets, or garages. These bins have lids that snap on, which helps keep dust out and keeps items protected. Because they stack securely, you can use the full height of shelves and cupboards without making a mess. The clear design lets you see what is inside each bin, so you do not waste time searching through boxes. These bins are big enough for things like towels, snacks, tools, cleaning supplies, or seasonal items that tend to take up room. Stackable storage is useful when you want to keep items grouped but still easy to reach. These work well in closets where piles of things can easily fall over. With these bins, you can make your space more organized and easier to keep clean. Prices may change depending on the seller. Number 5. 51-inch convertible love seat sofa bed, about $249. A convertible love seat sofa bed is a piece of furniture that doubles as seating and a bed. This model is around 51 inches wide, making it a good size for small living rooms or studio apartments. By day, it works like a regular couch where you can sit, relax, or entertain guests. At night, it easily unfolds into a guest bed. This helps you save space because you do not need both a sofa and a separate guest bed. It also comes with soft cushions and covers that make it comfortable for sitting and sleeping. This type of sofa bed is especially useful in homes with limited floor space where extra furniture would feel crowded. It also means you can keep your living area neat and functional. Choosing furniture with dual purposes helps reduce clutter and keeps your home organized without extra beds taking up space. Price can vary with color and seller. Number 6. ClearSpace Clear Plastic Storage Bins, set of 6, about $28. The ClearSpace Clear Plastic Storage Bins come in a set of 6 and help you sort and organize items in different rooms of your home. These bins are see-through, so you can find what you need quickly. They are useful in a pantry for canned goods, in a bathroom cabinet for bottles, or on laundry shelves for supplies. The bins have handles that let you pull them out easily and carry them where you need them. They fit nicely on shelves and help keep things in order without adding bulky baskets or boxes. When things are loose, it often leads to clutter and disorder. Using bins like these lets you group similar items together and make shelves look cleaner. They work well for everyday items that you use often but do not want sitting out on counters. Simple organizers like these are a good first step in decluttering any space. Pricing may change with options. Number 7. Rubbermaid Clever Store Clear 6-Pack with Lids, about $40. The Rubbermaid Clever Store Clear 6-Pack with Lids offers larger storage bins that are useful for bigger items around the home. These bins are sturdy and have lids that snap on to keep contents clean and protected from dust. Because they are clear, you can see what is inside without opening them. They are often used in closets, under beds, or in laundry areas to hold blankets, seasonal clothing, holiday decorations, or larger supplies that do not fit in smaller containers. Using these bins helps keep floors and closets neat by moving items into dedicated containers. You can also stack them with the lids on, saving vertical space and making it easier to organize larger areas. These are a good option if you have bulky or inconvenient items that often get left out in the open. Actual price may vary with seller and size options. Number 8. V-Top-Mart 6-Shelf Slim Storage Cart, about $39. The V-Top-Mart Slim Storage Cart has 6 narrow shelves and moves on wheels, making it useful if you have tight spaces. It slides into gaps between furniture, washer and dryer, fridge, or cabinets and creates extra storage without taking up much floor area. You can use it in the kitchen for spices and small appliances, in the bathroom for toiletries and towels, or in a pantry for snacks and cans. Because it is tall and slim, it uses vertical space that often goes unused. The wheels let you pull the cart out easily when you need access to items or want to clean behind it. Slim organizers like this help reduce clutter on counters and open up space for daily tasks. They are especially helpful in smaller homes where every inch of floor space matters. Price may vary by seller. Number 9. Simple Houseware Stackable Drawer Organizers, about $18. Simple Houseware Stackable Drawer Organizers are small bins that help sort items inside drawers or on shelves. They split larger spaces into smaller sections, so items like socks, office supplies, kitchen tools, or accessories do not mix together. When drawers are empty or unstructured, items often get tangled or lost. These organizers fit into most drawers and allow you to create neat compartments. You can stack them or use them side by side depending on your needs. They help save time because you can find what you need quickly without pulling everything out. These organizers are affordable and simple to use. They are a good tool if you want to add order to closets, desks, kitchen drawers, or dressers without investing in bigger storage systems. Prices may change with seller. Number 10. Utopia Lazy Susan Pantry Organizer, about $29. A Utopia Lazy Susan Pantry Organizer helps make deep cupboards easier to use by rotating items for easier access. This organizer has bins that spin so you can reach items in the back without moving everything in front. It is useful in kitchens where spices, bottles, sauces, or jars tend to get pushed out of view. With this Lazy Susan, you can keep your pantry neat and avoid buying duplicates because you can see all your items at once. It works well on shelves of any depth and keeps counters clear by encouraging you to store things inside cupboards. Organizations like this are simple but effective in reducing kitchen clutter and making everyday cooking more efficient. Tell us which product helped you the most or which one you would try first. If you want more useful space-saving ideas like this, subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming home organization videos.